Welcome friends, welcome to Maths World GM Sir channel. You are learning mensuration. We have the problem: a hemispherical bowl is filled to the brim with the juice. The juice is poured into a cylindrical vessel whose radius is 50% more than its height. If the diameter is same for the both bowl and the cylinder, then find the percentage of juice that can be transferred from the bowl into the cylindrical vessel. So we have the shape hemispherical bowl, and the cylinder. In the hemispherical bowl, we have the juice up to the brim, which is poured into the cylinder. Here we have the diameter of this is equal to diameter of the cylinder, therefore radius of both will be same, and height we have for the cylinder and radius. So we have to find the radius first. The radius is 50% more than its height, so the radius of cylinder is equal to, here we have the radius r for both the cylinder and the bowl because the diameter is same. So the radius is of the cylinder is 50% more than its height, which is again given by h plus 50% of h. So h plus 50 by 100 h. Here h plus h by 2, so the radius is 3h by 2. Then we have the volume of bowl is hemispherical bowl is 2 by 3 pi r cube, which is 2 by 3 pi. R is 3h by 2 because the radius of both the bowl and the cylinder is same, the whole cube. So 2 by 3 pi, 3 into 3 into 3 into h cube by 2 into 2 into 2. So which is have 9 by 4 h cube pi cubic units. and the volume of cylinder, volume of juice poured into the cylinder is pi r square h cubic units. So it is pi r square is 3h by 2 the whole square into h, which is square of 3 is 9, h square by 4 into h, which is 9 by 4 h cube pi cubic units. Now we can observe that the volume of the bowl, hemispherical bowl, is 9 by 4 h cube pi, and the volume of juice in the cylinder is 9 by 4 h cube pi. Therefore both the volumes are equal, hence the percentage of juice that can be transferred from the bowl to the cylindrical vessel because both the volumes are equal, so complete juice is poured into the cylinder, therefore it is 100% is poured into the cylindrical vessel. That's it in this problem. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.
मेरे चैनल